Hey, hello all, welcome back to our channel, guys. And actually, today is a special product. Just now, we are going to do an unboxing of one smartphone. Here you can see, ta-da! It's a Motorola Edge 60 Fusion. Just now, we are going to do an unboxing actually. Okay, let's come on. Actually, I have purchased this in online platform. Actually, guys, one thing I need to tell, the price which will get different by which it varies in each and every platform actually, like Flipkart and Amazon and in Swiggy, Zepto, like that kind of things where there different kinds of platforms are there, and price is also different in each and every platform actually. For example, in Flipkart, the product price of this Motorola H60 Fusion smartphone, the variant is 12 GB RAM plus 256 GB internal memory. The smartphone prices it's around 25,000, and you will get some kind of credit card discounts and all. If you're having Access Bank credit card and all, you will get some kind of additional discounts. Not only Access Bank, there is another bank is also there, but I'm not sure. If you need means, you can just check it out in Flipkart and all. Like that, just for example, I'm saying like that in Amazon there's a different offers, and the pricing is also different. Likewise in Swiggy, there's some discounts is there, and the price is also different. Likewise, the price will vary in each and every platform. Okay, anyway, just come on. Just now I'm going to do unboxing of this Motorola Edge 60 Fusion smartphone. Okay, actually, I purchased this smartphone. It's just around rupees cost of 24,000 rupees, including some kind of card discounts and all are there. Based on that, the pricing is 24,000, which I have purchased. And okay, let's go on. It's now time to do unboxing. Okay, finally I have removed this cover. You can see here's the H60 Fusion Motorola, and that is you can see the genuine this tag is there. The seal is not yet broken. Okay, finally let's go on. Just now we need to cut the tapes and all. The seal actually, you can see this product is meant for sale in India only. Product to be activated using Indian SIM cards. Okay, no issues. Let's go on. It's now time to do unboxing. Actually, this smartphone, the variant is 12 GB RAM 256 GB, which I purchased. There's a 8 GB RAM is also there. Variant is also there. You can purchase that also. And in this, there's three different colors for there, guys. In this H60 Fusion smartphone, you can purchase any color based on availability. Actually, I have purchased a Phantom Amazonite. It's just kind of a sky blue color, which I have purchased. This Motorola smartphone actually. Okay, let's come on. Now it's time to just remove this tapes first. And okay, finally I have removed this tapes. I've just broken the seal. Okay, let's come on. It's now time to do unboxing. And one thing before doing unboxing, here you can see here they have given what contains inside this pack: mobile phone, charger, USB Type-C one, and SIM ejector tool, and quick start guide, and sealing tape 5 minutes. Okay, that's good. So made in India product only. Let's come on. It's now time to do unboxing. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, let's come on. I'm going to open it up. Actually, the box is very tight. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Here you can see, here's the smartphone, guys. Actually, and here you can see a note about UV screen protector and something they have written. Please be cautious if applying a third-party screen protector with UV optimal glue to the screen. UV gel may pose significant potential damage. Just you need to know this thing, guys. Actually, just we need to be aware before applying this third-party screen protector and all. You can see potential damage to your device hardware and software, including a volume and power buttons, which is not covered under warranty. To prevent this, before applying the glue, please firmly cover the buttons and bottom holes of the device by sealing tape in the box. Okay, sealing tape actually they are provided inside this box itself. It's good. Okay, let's take this smartphone out first. Actually, you can see here's the smartphone, and weight is also very less only. Before coming to the smartphone, just let's see what are the things they have given. Actually, previously we have saw in the box which they have contained list of things, and here you can see here's the super fast charger adapter. Actually, it's a 68 watt power adapter, it seems, because for fast charging it's a 68 watt turbocharger. And there's a type C cable is there, guys. You can see type C cable. And then other than this, actually they have mentioned like some kind of tape there for screen protection. Actually, I don't know where it is. Yeah, I think here it is. I think, yeah, it is here actually in this box. Just need to take this out. So just keep this box aside, and just I'm going to open it out now. You can see here's the SIM ejector tool, and here's the guide, actually user manual guide it seems. And here you can see here's the tape to cover all the sides of the smartphone for before applying the screen protector. For that only they have given this. You can see here itself they have mentioned sealing tape is provided inside this box itself. Okay, it's good. Okay, just keep this aside. Actually, guys, there's a Motorola 860 Fusion smartphone. Actually, this is a 12GB RAM 256GB variant, and it is powered by Mediatek Dimensity 7400 processor actually. And there is a camera is there. It's a 50MP camera. The rear camera is which is a lens which is equipped with 50MP Sony LYT700C sensor. Actually, there is, and the front camera is 32MP, and the another one is 12MP rear camera is there. Front is 32MP, and the screen size is 6.67 inch Super HD, and they have mentioned this screen as a 1.5K quad curved true color display. Actually, the smartphone screen is, and the battery is 5500 mAh battery is there, guys, actually in this. And not only this, they are providing a turbo charger also. 68 watt turbo power charging is there, which is just charge quickly, and it comes up with Android 16 actually. That's a good thing. Just let's come on, just we will open this up. Should just kind of a tape picture. It is, you can see it's came. You can see, guys, actually we need to apply a tempered glass before using this. You can see it's a curved display. Actually, it's a super cool. The color is also, it's good actually. The sky blue color of this smartphone, Motorola smartphone, actually it's good. Let's come on, we will turn on this. Yeah, here you can see hello moto. The color is also super good actually. It's fantastic, guys. So the screen, which is very superb actually. The looks actually, how can I say, like this looks and color, it's a super punchy actually of the smartphone. It's good. You can see the Motorola logo is came. It's good. Just click get started. Okay, just keep. Actually, we need to handle with care because there is no screen protector in this. So only you continue. Then continue. It's a Kolkata. Okay, time is right. Yeah, 16 July. No, it's not a 16 July. Today is 12th July actually, which I am recording. The screen time. Finally, I set the time. Just skip. Use location. Okay, just click on accept. Getting your phone ready. Okay, stay up to date. Later I will do this kind of things. Skip on this. Next. Okay, small screen. Just I will do this kind of setup later actually. Just currently I'm going to choose these buttons. Okay, dark theme is good. You can see I just selected dark theme. Hello Moto, our customers how to design for you to make it. You're ready. Start exploring. Okay, just click finish. Go to home screen. You can see guys, it's super cool actually. You can see. Okay, maybe later some other things. Actually, it's very smooth guys. Actually, it's very handy and smooth. It looks super cool, the display and all. It's just good actually. The color is also super good. Okay, that's it. Finally we have done this unboxing. Actually it looks good. Actually the screen looks very punchy guys, seriously I'm saying. At this price range it's looks very cool actually. Very cool and punchy and attractive display actually. We need to handle with care, that's it, because it's a curved display so only. And anyway, and okay guys, regarding this video that's all. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, if you need this smartphone means just I have given a link in a below description for purchasing. If you need means you can purchase this smartphone using the below link actually. And okay guys, regarding this video that's all. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any queries or doubts, ask in below comment section. Definitely I will reply. And please do like and subscribe our channel for more videos guys. Bye. I will see you in next video.